In this video, I'm going to show you how to do matching questions. So you're in an assessment and you click on matching. And here you'll need to, give the instructions, match the person with the correct event. And so we've got A, B, and so on. Potential answers. And notice within all of these, you do have the option of this rich text formatting. And so you can do images on one side and what is that image? And so you could have people, there's a lot of different ways that this could be used. And so keep that in mind that not only do your questions have rich text formatting, including the use of images, but your answer choices do as well. So keep those things in mind. You can, of course, add more prompts and options. And then you need to select what is the correct answer here. And there's some options for what that looks like and what the correct answer. Do they can get an exact match or a partial match, and partial credit and things of that nature are available. I will link to the Schoology's page that has an explanation of how partial credit works on each of the different answer types. But I can say that, in my opinion, partial match is a good choice for most of these answer choices where you could get part of it right and part of it wrong. So then you save. And don't forget, you can always preview your questions, both within the question itself. You have the preview option right here. So I can preview this specific question, and this is what it would look like. And so when the student matches, they have to come up and drag and drop into the matching, into the space. And so that is that's real simple, and you can see right away I got 400 out of 400 there, and so I got all the credit for that particular question. Now, of course, for the ultimately, it's only right now it's only set at 1 point. This is one thing to think about. So my multiple choice questions, each question is worth 1 point, and then my true false as well. But then this matching one in a traditional test, paper test, that was 4 different items probably. So you may want to think about how are you weighting that? Do you want to leave it is that 1 question, or is that more like 4 questions? So keep those things in mind. I often will weight my matching 1 point per, I didn't click on that, 1 point per choice that I have. And so that it looks the same, it works out the same as it would maybe on a paper test. So that's up to you to decide how you think that's going to be best for your situation, depending upon what you're doing with your assessment. So that is how you do a matching question on a Schoology assessment.